At this roundabout, we're turning right, third exit. A third exit to the right. You have to stay in the right hand lane as the exit is past 12 o'clock. Give a right signal so people don't think that we're going straight ahead. If we give a right signal, then we know we're going to go right. Now, this is the tricky part on this roundabout. Normally, we have to give way to cars coming from your right. Okay? But on this roundabout, cars coming from your right will come and give way here to you. So you have priority to go first. I know this car went, maybe they had enough space, but if another car came behind them, they would wait for you there. You have priority to go this way. So you must remember this one, okay? And then just count down your exits. So first exit. And now even from this point, start checking your left mirror, being aware of who's beside you. This is the second exit. And now give a signal, and then we're going to leave by this exit. So start checking the left mirror very early, even before you reach the third exit. At this roundabout, we turn right, third exit for Eastham. As third exit is on the right hand side, we use the right hand lane. And then it's a spiral roundabout controlled by traffic lights. You go in and you look for the Eastham lane and you follow the lane. Now notice there are two lanes that say Eastham, this one and this one. Either one can be used. Whichever one you choose, just remain in that one, don't change lanes. Just stay in this lane, both lanes are going to take the exit. And then at this point, check your left mirror as the lane is merging back to one lane. At this roundabout, we are following ahead, straight ahead, second exit. The exit name is Dagenham. So when we go ahead, we use the left lane. We don't give a signal, and that way other drivers know that we are going ahead, because we're not giving a left or right signal. They know we're going to go ahead because we have no signal. Use the left lane throughout the roundabout. That's the first exit on your left here. Now start checking your left mirror. Check this left side in case anyone's coming in. Check your mirror again on the left. Give a left signal, and you're going to leave the roundabout here. Don't use the bus lane. At this roundabout, we're going to turn right, second exit. So we use the right hand lane out of these two lanes. Give way to your right, and then you follow ahead as this arrow tells you to keep going. So right, second exit. So keep in the right hand lane. There's two lanes here. And on the floor, it tells you the first exit is to the left that way, and second exit is right that way. Now this roundabout is slightly different to other roundabouts. Normally you give way to cars coming from your right, but here you're going to give way to cars coming from your left. Okay. After you've given way, just continue to follow the road ahead. So the road ahead is in the left lane. Okay, so your normal driving position in the left lane. As the arrow on the floor tells you, this lane is going to go right, this lane is going ahead. The left lane is your normal driving position. So always go back to the left lane. At this roundabout, we turned right, fourth exit towards Eastham. So look for the Eastham lane on the floor. So it's this one, and then just follow it. Now you'll notice this lane says Eastham as well, but so does your one. Seeing as you're using this lane, stay in it and follow the lane you're in. Don't change lanes. At this roundabout, we're going to turn left, first exit. Okay, now there is a bus lane on the left here. If you don't know what time it is, don't use it. But this bus lane is 7 AM to 10 AM. Monday to Saturday. At this roundabout, take the third exit. It's straight ahead, it says A406, A13. Now because it's the last exit, treat it like a right turn. Give a right signal, and then take the exit that's straight ahead, which is the third exit, is that way. So first exit is on the left here. That's where cars will join in from the first exit. Second exit is there, and that's where cars will join in from the second exit. And third exit is there. Here you're going to follow signs for M25 on the left. Now this diagonal white line, the small skinny white line going that way, it indicates there's a slip road there, and you won't actually have to give way at the roundabout. It's a slip road. Your lane is going to follow to the left like a bend. Other vehicles are going to be giving way at the roundabout. Your lane is a slip road. It just continues, it bends around, you don't give way. At this junction, we're turning right, so we need to wait in the middle and give way to oncoming cars, as we don't have priority over the cars that are coming from ahead. But the mistake you made was, once you've turned, you've joined the right-hand lane where cars will want to drive fast. You should be joining the left lane. Okay, so the left lane is your normal driving position. So use the left lane. We took this exit, and then I said at the traffic lights, which is over there, we're going to be turning left. Now, there is a bus lane here. This is what a bus lane starts off looking like. It comes out like that, and then there's a thick white line here, and there's a bus lane timetable here. So you try to move into this bus lane, but the bus lane timetable says at any time, which means it's a 24-hour bus lane. You cannot use this one. So here you try to move to the left, so I'll brought you back out to the right. So this thick white line here means it's a bus lane, and this is where the bus lane finishes, where the white line finishes here. Now you can move to the left lane after checking your mirror and giving the signal.